I think everything's going well with her. Like everything, her career, siguro sa isang aspeto lang yung hindi, pero lahat naman ng bagay is going well for her, and I think she knows that, and I think she just has to be more positive about it. But everything, I don't see anything wrong with Kim.
What's right with Kim? Everything.
Everything. She's
Taray.
beautiful. She has a wonderful and a beautiful career as well.
Thank you. Would you like to add anything, Paolo?
Actually, when I was doing ABS, I wasn't given the opportunity until now, until the project we did last year, and I was very happy. And maybe because not just because parang we know that Kim's a star and she's so bubbly, and we also know that she's maturing as an actress. But also, after working with her, maybe one of the qualities that I would say is I like working with people who works fast and knows what they're doing. And si Kim, ganun. Kumbaga, mabilis siyang kumilos, alam niya na yung script, alam niya yung gagawin, wala nagiging problema.
Such a pro.
Salamat, salamat. Anong gusto mo din? Balikan lang pala. At kung magbabalikan ulit kayo ng compliments of each other. Si Paolo, syempre, ano siya, sobrang, pogi siya. Cute ta. Ano siya, very, alam niya yung ginagawa niya. Very, ano siya, consistent sa trabaho. And then, parang, we share the same passion when it comes to work. Tsaka parang kami ng gusto. So, nakakagulat na parang boy counterpart ko na, eto, minsan na natin, gawin natin maganda. Or ganyan. So, parang
Nalobat.
Nalobat version ko. Oo, pero isa lang yung gusto namin. Pero siya yung lobat version. Pero ako yung high energy version. So parang nakaka-amaze na may makakita ng boy version mo, which is siya. Sabi ng pero sarili ko weird. Pero yun, nakakatuwa makatrabaho ang isang Paula Abilino. And mas nakaka-amaze kasi tinanggap niya tong rom-com na genre. So, mas napahanga ko as him as an actor dahil kaya niyang gawin lahat talaga in his best. At saka, magugulat talaga kayo. He took on the challenge, diba? Yes. Ikaw naman, Pao.
It's the same thing that I've said earlier. Plus, see Kim, kasi what I noticed, especially when I first worked with her, she sets the tone of the energy of the set. So nakikita mo, pag malungkot si Kim, medyo, hindi naman malungkot lahat, pero alam mo, malumana yung set. Pag high energy si Kim, yung tone, siya talaga nagsiset ng tone ng set. Lahat ng tao energized din. So parang ngayon na ako nakakita ng tao gano'n na kayang kayang iset yung energy level ng set ko.
Kahit siya, naging high energy na rin siya. Nadala mo. Ang hirap doon pero nagawa mo.
Especially when I first worked with her. She sets the tone of the energy of the set. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng tao ganun na kayang iset yung energy level ng set.
Kasulat and the cast was stellar. So, isang karangalan para sa akin na maging bahagi ng The Broken Marriage Vow. And now, with What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, sa totoo lang, what makes this show very special for me is that I get to work with stellar artists like Janice, Jake, and Paolo, and Kim, and everybody here. But most especially yung dynamics namin as the Castillo family.
Everything. She's beautiful. She has a wonderful and a beautiful career as well.
What's right with Paolo?
Sinasabi ko Abilino. And mas nakaka-amaze kasi tinanggap niya tong rom-com na genre.
Nabigyan kami ng pagkakataon mag-work ulit after Lin lang. Parang hindi na ako nagdalawang isip. na mag-yes sa mga project na yan.
Sa rom-com. Yan
Actually, may konting pilit ni Kim yun, pero
Oy!
Drunk I Love You, Fangirl, Ngayon Kaya, and Elevator last year. What is different with working with Kim in this one?
actually, now that I think about it, parang never lumampas ng 2 beses kong katrabaho lagi yung mga leading ladies natin. Either if it's in the sa series or sa movie. Sa pagkakaalala ko. Pero yung parang ngayon na natanong sa akin, parang siguro yung sagot ko dyan, parang hindi nakakasawang katrabaho si Kim.
Kim's like a breath of fresh air. She's bubbly, she's full of life, and sometimes you knowing, considering my personality, which is very bland, I mean, it's nice to have someone who's lively beside you.
And you feed off each other really well. But for my last question, for the
15 years to work with Kim Chu. What were your expectations and how did your professional relationship begin?
Oo nga eh.
Ang lalim na.
15 years. Yep. When I first transferred to ABS-CBN, I immediately, actually hindi ko na naalala yung interview na yun, pero I was thinking then, Kim was very bubbly and parang she's so pleasant to watch on TV, so I wanted to work with her. But so many things happened along the way and parang yun, nabigyan na rin ng pagkakataon sa wakas during Linlang when we were looking for the cast for Juliana. So many, maraming na-considered. Medyo nagulat rin ako nung lumabas yung name ni Kim. Tinanong ko kaagad sa producers namin and director kung nabasa na ba ni Kim yung script. Kasi kaya niyo ba? Parang yun naman. Sabi ko, so, talaga, medyo mainit yung mga eksena. But, ayun nga, kaya naman daw ni Kim. So I was excited.
Nakakatawa na.
Excited. I always see Kim sa mga ASAP shows and stuff, but we never got to really mingle together dahil hindi rin naman ako nagsasalita at hindi rin ako nakikihalubilo masyado. Pero I'm happy and glad, and now that I got to work with her, parang mas na-appreciate ko si Kim dahil medyo pareho kami ng work ethics. Mabilis akong kumilos pagdating sa trabaho. Gusto ko maayos lahat and very organized. And parang yun rin yung nakita ko kay Kim. Kasi alam niyo naman yung mga artista minsan, di ba? Parang babagal kumilos, nag-makeup pa, nagre-retouch pa, nagbibihis pa. Yan, natuwa ako na maganda yung work ethics ni Kim. So, dumating yung mga pagkakataon na
Kahit saan na lang. Basta kasama si...
alam na mga katrabaho ko si Kim.
But you manifested it.
I wanted to work with her. Pero, ayun, never ko talagang in-expect. Kasi parang, after a while, parang naging iba na rin yung tahak ng mga gusto kong gawin. So, hindi ko alam na kay Kim pala ang bagsak ko. After this movie, we can see where we could bring the tandem together, or maybe offer something new to everyone na nag-aabang and expecting us to work together.
Love team.
It's kind of awkward, I think, for our age, pero kung saan masaya yung tao, parang kung yun yung kung yun yung gusto nilang tawag. I'm not very into titles as well. So, at this point, parang kung nakakapagbigay ligaya kami at nakakapagbigay inspirasyon kami through what we do sa mga proyektong nagagawa namin, then I think it's a good thing. The biggest, I don't want to be stuck in what you would call a love team because I feel like it hinders you from your growth as an actor.
Rewind, fast forward, or pause moments in your life. Which would you use the most and why?
Rewind, fast forward, or
Yung point of question. Well,
pause, fast forward, or rewind?
I think that we would always want to choose to rewind stuff and change parts of our experiences or our past where we made mistakes. Pero siguro rewind na lang, tapos rewind ko pagka labas ni Kim ng PBB para tapos lilipat na kagad ako galing GMA na diretso.
Ala, grabe naman yun.
So, mas napahanga ako as him as an actor dahil kaya niyang gawin lahat talaga in his best.
Dahil sa pagmamahal ko bilang katrabaho ka at sa lahat ng binigay mo sa lindang. So, pambawi sa'yo. So, I'm here in Secretary Kim to
Ay, sobrang funny siya
give
dito.
back.
Sobrang funny siya talaga. Hindi na siya si Paolo Abilino.
Teka lang, pagmamahal yung pinag-uusapan, ba't mo siya change topic?
Siyempre, pinukulit kita.
Okay.